Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling lamp for reading purposes. Let's take it out of the box. It comes with all the pieces that you need to install, which I think it's really nice. We also get the manual on how to adjust it, okay, which I think it's really nice. And as I've said, it comes with everything you need to assemble it and install, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. I'm gonna assemble it right now and then I'm gonna place it up in here in my office. Okay, so come on. Okay guys, the installation is actually really easy, and what I like about this ceiling light fixture is that it has this really nice farmhouse or rustic design, however you want to see it. It has some bears and some deers imagery, which I find really beautiful, and it's, as I've said, really easy to install. It doesn't take that much long and you can do it all by yourself, and you can place it on vaulted ceilings or slopesticks, which is really nice. It uses regular E26 light bulb space, so you can place almost any kind of light bulbs that you want, and it uses in total 4 light bulbs, which I think it's nice because it's gonna give a lot of light in your room wherever you want to place it, and then it's perfect for any place that you want, your dining room or your bedroom. I think it's gonna do an amazing work, and overall it's really nice. I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.